Ravi, you aren't joining our ex-office colleagues' dinner today? What happened? You seem stressed.
I have to deliver a lot of detailed and miscellaneous drawings of staircases, handrails, typical details at the earliest, and it's taking a lot of time to replicate them throughout the module manually.
Why don't you use the new feature of clone selected in Tekla? I use it all the time as it allows me to replicate detailing in similar locations intelligently, and it is super quick.
Where is this feature?
Oh, do you not have the latest version of Tekla software? It comes included in Tekla Maintenance each year and carries new features, upgrades or new content that can be used to complete tasks much faster in the software compared to the older versions.
Take care of your Tekla software. Call or write to us today at the contacts given on your screen.